Hello, this is Blue Leader, and I'm going to do a little different video for you on a new tool I discovered. Lots of people discovered it for me. It's Google My Maps. It's how I organize where I'm going to go to next with the help of my own custom map. Tesla.com offers us something really cool already with their own Supercharger map at their website. If you go to their Supercharger Find Us map, I'm just going to click on Supercharger, and in the United States all these red dots pop up. Super handy. But if you start zooming in to, like, let's say the LA area, these markers get really dense because there's a lot of superchargers here, present superchargers and future superchargers, and it gets a little bit hard to navigate through. So what I'm going to do is going to go in a new window, and I'm going to type Google My Maps. And you click on Google My Maps. Make sure you're signed into the right Google account, which I'm going to do right now. And all the maps you've made are going to pop up. I only have one, the TSD Tesla Super Destination map. So I'm going to click on it. And on the left pane is going to show all the layers that you've added to this. So I'm just going to zoom in to California. In 2019, these are the superchargers I went to, not too many. Then in 2020, I went to a lot more. 2021, many more, going to Vegas and Utah. 2022, it gets a lot denser. 2023, California's looking booming. 2024, a whole lot more. And I've added another layer called Charger Goals, where I added a different kind of marker, a different color. Yellow, places that I really want to go to next. So let me get rid of some of the other layers so I could see just the markers that signify where I need to go in yellow. And here they are. A whole bunch in Southern California, a whole bunch in Las Vegas. Hopefully I could get to those by the end of 2024. If I zoom out a little bit and add my other markers, you could see the other zones where I've been to in Atlanta, Tennessee and Kentucky, going over to Boston. It looks really small until you really zoom in, zoom out a little bit. We drove all the way over to the Toronto area, where there's a lot of cool family. The cool thing about this is that you can look at different types of maps. I'm at the base map, nothing spectacular. You've got the satellite view and a whole bunch of other views of maps depending on your tastes. So let's just leave it at this one. Hope you check it out. Google My Maps. If you want to add a layer, all you do is add layer, call that layer like a test layer. I'm going to hit save, and let's say the next place I want to go to is Denver, Colorado. You click on this marker, you click boom right there, and I'm going to name this Denver Test. You could put a description. I'm just going to type test. I'm going to hit save, but I don't want an ordinary looking marker. I want to make it pop out more, so I'm going to get my signature lightning bolt, and I'm going to make it, for example, like a green color. So boom, there it is. Denver green. You know what that means. See you guys later. Thanks a whole bunch for supporting the channel. Bye-bye.